Hello guys, what's going on? It's Jahid catching you back again. Catching you on YouTube. What you doing in YouTube? Oh, I'm fucking kidding guys. Sorry. I'm a complete idiot. Hi guys. Hi YouTube. Fucking had a nice sleep, woke up again. So we live, baby. Guys, thanks to all the new subscribers, guys. Do fucking appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, if you find this for the first time, do subscribe, please. And yeah, uh, help me reach my goal of having 100 subscriber. Not much yet, right? But anyway, out of topic. Guys, I'm gonna talk about Dropil. Dropil, I've done a review a few days ago, a few weeks, I don't even remember. But you can go in my channel, check it out. So we're gonna do a run through quick, just to let you know that there is an opportunities so that you can make some money. PJ3, so make some money. PJ3, this is nice guys. Straight to the point. No ziggy zag. So guys, I'm Dropil, automating the world of cryptocurrency. So Dropil, the ICO is done, is completed, guys. You cannot buy in the ICO no more because it's finished. But there is an exchange where you can get Dropil coin. Okay, there is an I think it's Tidus. Let's check it out here. Mm, let's go market. Yeah, it's Tidex. So right now the price is this one. I don't know how to spell that in fucking dollar sign or whatever, half of it, whatever. This is the price for it. So they be listed in this exchange, and yesterday they got listed in on coin market cap, guys. So that's gonna bring some volume here as well. So same as for Tidex, the price went up a little bit because on the ICO it was half of 1 cent, if I can say that. Yeah, half of 1 cent, 0.005. This is how they were selling in the ICO. Right now the price went up a bit, so quite awesome. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, coin market cap. There is some people here. They just curious and go look for new coin and stuff, and they got added here yesterday. So some people will definitely go have a look at their website, and see. So we early at the moment. So just invest on Dropil and live in there, and it's still cheap, guys. This price will change radically quick. So still got the chance to buy in, guys. So go Tidex, get in there. Uh, Back to the website. So basically, what is Dropil? Dropil is a bot. It's a bot that was built in house by these 2 or 3. I don't fucking remember no more, but genius guys. They're quite smart actually, and they've been doing this for quite some time, like developers creating apps and stuff like that. So they got some experience. Okay, guys. So why Dropil? Dropil is a bot that basically reduces risk. So with their bot, you can it basically lets you choose your risk level, guys, while minimizing losses using our trading algorithm. It lets you choose your risk level, guys. So the risk level is quite straight to the point. If I can see where it was. So basically, is moderate, I think, moderate, and the other one is moderate, uh, moderate, medium or whatever, and aggressive. Okay, guys. So let's see what's that on here. But anyway, so it lets you choose your risk level, then it gives you steady returns, and it's completely autonomous. So you don't have to touch it. It does by itself, guys. You don't have to fucking be there monitoring it for hours. But anyway, it's powered by human and AI. Stress-free investing. You're right. Auto strategy correction. So if you made a mistake, it just correct itself quick. So that's awesome. Withdraw anytime. So you've found your investment, you can take it out at any chosen time, guys. So they don't, whether it's a long-term investing or short-term investing, you can take it quick. No fees and no commission. That's, I don't know how you guys gonna make your money, but anyway, yeah. So investment game. All right. Um, so how it works? Basically, Dropil, they got Dex and Archer. Dex is the okay. Dex, let's see. So a system called Dex. Dex is an intelligent trading system that will invest your drops according to smart trading strategies. It is designed to make trades based on deep learning algorithm developed in-house to grab you the best possible net returns. So short or long-term investment, uh, smart investing. So DEX constantly monitors all trading being made on exchange and place buy and sell order according to smart strategy to net optimal returns. Unlike a person, DEX can be in many places once allowing it to make winning trades across numbers of coins and exchange simultaneously. So basically, it's a bot. It be every fucking where, even in your fucking bedroom. Oh, well, I'm fucking stupid. So investment protection. So DEX system pulls the investment together based on your risk, even in the market. Your investment are protected. So your investment is protected. So that's quite a fucking. Uh, I give you a star for that. A different approach. Our team has perfected DEX deep learning algorithm over the last year to automatically scale or swap strategy according to the live trading market on any exchange for any cryptocurrency. DEX is constantly calculating and automatically updating itself based on new trading data. So that's quite awesome. It's willing to learn. So we learn every day. So why not the robots learning too? So DEX is consistent. DEX has a number of safety nets in place to ensure it smartly locks on optimal profit while monetizing risk as second, whatever. But anyway, that's that side. And the other one, they give you an extra gift. So another tool for your bag. Buy one, get one free. So Archer monitor. So this one is called Archer, guys. Basically, Archer is a arbitrage kind of shit. So Archer monitors the coin exchange you select and then clearly display the price differences. So basically, it's arbitrage. If there is a percentage that you can make some money, boom, you click, then it makes the trades for you, boom, boom, and you get your money. So Archer monitor different exchanges. So at the moment they can do with 12 different exchanges. That's quite awesome. And there is the main one, Binance, EDAX, Kraken, Bitfinex, Linux, and all that. So that's quite good, man. Use Archer to monitor exchange. I have selected one possibilities. So uh, that's quite awesome. So you can get notification by SMS and text and all that good stuff. Wow, wicked. So right now Archer is free if you got minimum of $50 worth of drops in your Dropil or Dex wallet. So you have to have at least minimum $50 worth of Dropil coin so that you can uh, participate in doing arbitrage with their site. So they're gonna allow companies or whatever even to do this and charge them a fee or whatever. That's quite awesome. No, this project is very good, guys, and they very serious guys. They hard workers and Is their passion as well, guys. So I think they're gonna pull it off quite nice. Good. They're gonna place you in the good spot. Anyway, so guys, that's drop poll for you guys, and to be honest, it's a wicked, wicked, wicked platform. I do love it. And tomorrow I'm gonna try do. Sorry guys, I'm eating. Tomorrow I'll do a live trading and using the arbitrage and that all that kind of good stuff, and let you know guys how it's going on, how it's doing. By the way guys, please do subscribe to the channel. I would much appreciate that. And thank you again for all the new subscribers. I think I said it already, but thank you, thank you, thank you. So with that being said guys, that's all. We're gonna wrap it up here, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Have a blessing day, night, whatever, where, wherever you are in the world. Beautiful world we live in. Nah, peace out. Peace and love.